What's up, everybody? It's Lawrence again, and today I have a special treat for me. It's one of the very few unboxing videos I've done, and I haven't looked at the box yet. I just picked it up from KITH, and you're about to see some footage about me picking it up from KITH because last time I picked something up from KITH and actually won a raffle, I got a lot of comments about how they were fake shoes, and so you can see that they're obviously not fake. Actually, before I even begin, really huge shout out to KITH. Extremely smooth process. Won the raffle, went there a little early, about 35 minutes early, and we were let into the door around, like, I think 7:45, and I was back home on a train at 8 a.m. They completely staffed it up to make sure that people got in and out very quickly. Extremely docile line. Really cool in terms of both winning, but also kind of having a really good retail experience with them. Shout out to that crew there. So like I said, I won the raffle for the Presto off-white in the white colorway. I missed out on the blacks. Really wish I had those as well, but for the most part, extremely happy about winning. What I have learned is if you have a smaller size, I think you have a better chance. I used to size up and to give myself a little more room. And now that I've been sizing down, they're a little tighter in general, but I've been winning more raffles. So for all the small feet people out there, definitely look into that as a possibility. At any rate, this is the box. So unlike the original box that originally came out with the first release of the 10, it says Nike Swoosh instead of Swoosh. Looking at the front of the box, you'll see the 10 Nike Air Presto with the sizing in a clear, and the rest of the box is completely and utterly minimalist except for here, which is the off-white branding and some of that normal Nike stuff that you see at the bottom of the box. And let's open this up for the first time. I honestly have not seen these shoes either. Alright, so there's the Nike orange that's in the back over here with the same wrapping paper that the original the 10 had. So that's here with the off-white branding, a little more tissue paper, and here they are, the off-white Presto. So what's in this box right now? This is the off-white Presto that you can see here. Really cool shoe. I obviously will definitely be doing a review of these in depth, but for now, I'll be wearing these over the weekend as I travel to LA for the weekend. But here it is with the zip tie. It still says 2017 actually, which I think is kind of interesting since we're in 2018 and these are released in 2018. And then here's the other pair. We're just gonna stick. These look great in person, a lot better than in person. And unfortunately with the new collection of the 10, they only come with one pair of laces. I actually really want to look for the baby blue version. I'm sure I can find a knockoff version of the baby blue with the shoelaces involved as well, but this is really nice, and this is done in the black over here. But that's the unboxing. I will definitely be doing a full review. It's one of my favorite shoes of all time. Not actually necessarily the off-white version, but the Presto in general. I just absolutely love the shoe. But what I will be doing, so you guys know, I'm going to be putting them on feet right now with a really quick cut so you can see what they look like on feet. But like I said, wait about a week for a full review as I will be on travel for work for about a week before I can actually do anything. But at least you'll have a week's worth of wear before you see them again. One more thing. Whoever asshole keeps these on when they wear them, they need to go away. I mean, I'm going to remove this as soon as I can, because the stupid zip tie is one of my least favorite things about the shoe, and the people that wear them with the shoe really bug me out, and so I can't even get this off fast enough. Where are you? There you are. See this? Boom. In the trash.